पेप्टाइड्स फॉर हेयर लॉस, डू दे रियली वर्क? पेप्टाइड्स सच में वापस ला सकते हैं आपके गिरते हुए बाल या सिर्फ एक मार्केटिंग ट्रेंड है? क्योंकि कुछ लोगों को लगता है कि मिनॉक्सिडिल आउटडेटेड हो गया एंड पेप्टाइड्स इज अ एक्सपेंसिव होप व्हिच पीपल हैव. In next 5 minutes, you will have a clear idea that whether peptides help you in your hair loss. If yes, then at which stage and how. Honest answer, peptides new follicles create नहीं करते, existing follicles को support करते हैं. Regrowth claims which are associated with peptides are actually exaggerated marketing. Early thinning areas में support मिल सकता है, but extensive bald areas में बिल्कुल भी नहीं. But सबसे पहले ये समझना जरूरी है कि peptides होते क्या हैं. Hi, my name is Dr. Preeti Saraswat. I'm an American board certified hair transplant surgeon. Today we would be discussing peptides and their role in hair loss. Make sure to hit the subscribe button for more such science-packed solutions. See, peptides are small amino acid के chains, छोटे-छोटे, जो कि hair follicle के अंदर जा सकते हैं, skin के barrier को breach करके skin के barrier के साथ अंदर जा सकते हैं. Then ये एक स्विच नहीं होता, मैसेंजर होता है. फॉलिकल्स को सिग्नल देते हैं, उन्हें फोर्स नहीं कर सकते, इसलिए पेप्टाइड्स का इफेक्ट स्लो और सटल होता है. नाउ द बिगेस्ट क्वेश्चन इज, क्या पेप्टाइड्स काम करता भी है या नहीं? आप कमेंट सेक्शन में जरूर बताइए, क्या आपने पेप्टाइड्स का नाम पहले सुना है और क्या आपने यूज करके देखा है. लेट अस नाउ डिस्कस 4 कॉमन पेप्टाइड्स. नंबर 1, कॉपर पेप्टाइड्स, जिसको हम लिखते हैं GHK-Cu. व्हाट डज इट डू? इट प्रमोट्स एंजियोजेनेसिस. इट मींस छोटे छोटे ब्लड कैपिलरीज प्रमोट करता है, बनाता है. सो इट इम्प्रूव्स द ऑक्सीजन सप्लाई एंड द न्यूट्रिएंट सप्लाई फॉर योर हेयर टू ग्रो. नंबर 2 is biotinol tripeptide 1. Since it's a biotinol peptide, it can go deep into the hair follicles. So उसका फायदा क्या होगा? It can activate the germ cells of your hair roots in your scalp so that new hair is grown, not a fresh new one, but the existing hair gets better. Promotes self proliferation in the scalp. It is also said to enhance the production of anchoring proteins in the scalp. The third one is acetyl tetrapeptide 3. It excites, it improves, it stimulates the dermal papilla cells to create more collagen and elastin so that more anchoring property of dermal cells are there. When the dermal thickness improves, the hair structure improves. While also working with red clover extract, which comes by the name of Capixil, it is also said to improve the follicular size, to decrease the DHT, reduce scalp inflammation, offering results often comparable to minoxidil. So it is found in various serums, which improves thickness of the hair and improves the scalp circulation also. So you see, this peptide is comparable to minoxidil. Number 4 is keratin peptide. A lot has been said and heard about keratin peptide. Peptides are very small, so they can penetrate the hair fiber. Once inside, they act as internal reinforcement. They stimulate keratin production, repair damaged bonds, and seal the cuticle. The result is stronger, less brittle hair with fewer split ends. So you see, since in the hair loss market, there is a new solution hunger. People think minoxidil is getting outdated and peptides is the new in thing which will help me. आपको social media reels पे भी before and after peptides ढेर सारे comparisons आते होंगे. But you see, we are yet to conclude whether peptide will help you or not. Do not forget to press the like button if you find this information valuable. So possible benefits with peptides would be hair texture improvement, scalp health, improves the appearance. So peptides are supportive therapy. They are not stand-alone solution. So we can take help of peptide as an adjunct solution and not against minoxidil. We are yet to find out those peptides which help as much as minoxidil does. Patients come and say, Doctor, peptides तो हमने use कर लिया. अब आप हमें दूसरी therapy बताओ. उनके लिए peptides with medicine. But now I would like to tell you that if you are planning to undergo a hair transplant and you want to see after the hair transplant how I will look, you can take help of Saraswat Hospital app PKI feature. What you have to do? Download the app, click on the PKI feature, upload your front transplant and top pictures, and in 24 to 48 hours you'll get you back the probable results of your hair transplant surgery so that you can see कि आप कैसे दिखोगे. Along with that you will get the probable number of grafts जो आपके लिए जरूरी होंगे and a set of questions जो आपकी understanding better करेंगे regarding your hair transplant surgery. Since there are limited studies and small trials as you can see on your screen, it would be better कि हम peptides को supporting therapy लें, and people who would definitely get benefit with peptides would be the people जिनको early thinning है, अभी बहुत ज़्यादा नहीं हुआ, people who need maintenance therapy and post procedure support. So we should not think that peptides will help a lot in advanced baldness and if somebody is expecting a dramatic regrowth. If you are suffering with advanced baldness or you want hair transplant consultation, you can WhatsApp us on the numbers below or you can click the link in the description for a consultation with us. If you want to know कि भाई minoxidil versus PRP versus hair transplant, what is going to work for you, you can click the link on the right.